Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi asmer. First, select a large, fresh napa cabbage, ensuring it's firm and free of blemishes for that perfect crunch. You'll need to quarter the cabbage and salt it thoroughly, letting it sit for several hours to draw out moisture. This step is crucial for both flavor and texture, contributing significantly to the satisfying sounds we're aiming for. Rinse the cabbage well after salting to remove excess sodium. Next, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. Combine minced garlic, fresh ginger, and a Korean pear in a food processor until smooth. Then, mix in a generous amount of gochugaru or Korean chili flakes, along with fish sauce and a cooled glutinous rice flour paste. This paste binds everything together and helps with fermentation. Finally, fold in shredded Korean radish and chopped green onions, ensuring an even distribution of all ingredients. Now comes the fun part, mixing the kimchi. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili and to maintain hygiene. Take each salted cabbage quarter and carefully spread the paste between every leaf. Be thorough, ensuring every surface is coated. Gently massage the paste into the cabbage, paying attention to the thicker parts. This meticulous process ensures deep flavor penetration and contributes to the satisfying squishy sounds later. After mixing, pack your kimchi tightly into an airtight container, pressing down to remove any air pockets. Leave a little headspace for fermentation gases. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired sourness, then transfer it to the refrigerator. This slows down fermentation and preserves the crispness. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, crunchy kimchi asmer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.